This pretty cool building that I always like. And sometimes I come around here. If you see my other videos, sometimes I'll come around. It's pretty cool at nighttime. I'll come around on this side from the Portuguese bookstore. But tonight I'm going to go straight through and go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're going to start here. I'm just going to walk all the way down, so just kind of show you the way down. So this is Sao Paulo ruins, and we're going to go all the way down to Senado Square. You can overlook all the cool stuff here. All right. So I don't know when those apartments came. Sometimes I see photos of this area, and those apartments or whatever those are wasn't here. But I think this has been here for a while. This yellow one. So, anyways, this is usually this is like insanely crowded, but it's COVID-19 time, so it's not really like that at all right now. It might look crowded, but like usually it'll be like shoulder to shoulder, like just you cannot move. Kind of, you know, trying to get up this or down. And this spot that I'm walking into would be like a little bottleneck. It'd be so crowded. So yeah, actually it's a pretty amazing time period to be here. I don't know if the tourists get the same feeling sometimes. So I went to the pyramids of Egypt right after a terrorist attack, so all the foreigners were scared to death to go. There's several of them. I think a bunch of British people died on a bus, and it was like one of several things that just kept happening there. So the tourists were gone, and I went up to the pyramids with a friend of mine, and we kind of walked in like it was like a cornfield that, you know, that was, you know what I mean? Like there's just no way to know that that's where you're at. Amazing. There's way more people here than there. Actually, there's a little crowd of people coming up right there. And sometimes sometimes walking through the crowds, it's kind of good to do some kind of game, like trying to spot something. But I think I'm just gonna go down and just show you what it looks like. And if you walk all the way down, it just goes right to Senado Square. But this is the pathway it takes. And they saw this kind of stuff all along the way. More of it. Egg tarts. More of that over there too. It's ice cream. Turkish ice cream, I think. I got this kind of cool thing here too. Oh, it's like this one. They got another one right here too. And then we kind of get into this little thing where there's some park benches and like palm tree kind of stuff. So we're gonna get into that in a minute, which is right here in the center here. A tomato. I've been to this restaurant, this tomato restaurant. Tomato fusion. It's supposed to be kind of Portuguese for Chinese taste. So they call it like a Portuguese fusion lush. I guess they're trying to get some customers. It must be pretty quiet and empty in there. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on strolling through here. This pretty cool building that I always like. And sometimes I come around here. if you see my other videos, sometimes I'll come around. It's pretty cool at nighttime. I'll come around on this side from the Portuguese bookstore. But tonight I'm going to go straight through. And I don't know if I should go all the way to Santa Square or not. It's at 4.5 minutes already. It's so beautiful, but I could also turn it off and then do something totally different. So sometimes when I'm down here, I'll do like, you know, count the foreigner or count this or count that. So I could do that. But I kind of want to see how many minutes it takes to get from Sao Paulo ruins to Santa Square. And the only way to do that is to keep on going, right? This is São Domingos. And straight ahead is Santa Square. So I don't know if I should. Largo de São Domingo. So, you know, walk. I guess I'll walk down to Santa Square. This is we're almost here. And you got some cool alleys, of course. And the lighting is just coming down just perfectly, so that probably adds to the beauty of this area. It always does. Has a nice feeling when you're in here. Really peaceful energy. And we're basically at Santa Square. So that's basically it straight ahead. To the left, right is scaffolding. So they'll scaffold this and then they'll try to repair whatever it is they're trying to do. So okay, let's just turn around and we'll film back here again. And I think we're just gonna end right there. Chiquinha.